The promise of free money is almost always a digital trap. You sign up for an app, you share your personal data, and in return, you get a handful of points that you can only spend at a store you do not even like. ShopBack is currently dominating the shopping conversation because they make a very different claim. They promise actual cash. They are not giving you credit or vouchers. They are putting real currency into your account. With over 3,000 partner stores on their list, the scale of this operation is massive. They have already paid out more than $600 million across the globe. That sounds like a dream for anyone who does a lot of online shopping. You just hit a $5 threshold and you can move that money straight into your bank or a digital wallet. It seemed like a total no-brainer. However, once you pull back the curtain, the friction starts to show. The entire system is built on affiliate tracking. Every time you click a link, a tiny piece of code has to follow you to the checkout. If anything breaks that trade, you get nothing. This is where the frustration begins for most people. If you use a virtual private network for security, the tracking fails. If you have an active ad blocker, the tracking fails. Even the simple act of opening a new browser tab to compare prices can kill your rewards. It is not a passive experience. It requires a lot of manual attention. You have to be deliberate about every single click. Then there is the matter of support. If a transaction does not track properly, you are essentially on your own. There are no humans waiting to take your call. You are stuck talking to a chatbot that often leads to a dead end. To make matters worse, you only have a 30-day window to file a dispute. Many stores do not even confirm your purchase for 60 days. By the time you realize the money is missing, the door has already slammed shut. We also cannot ignore the history of the platform. Back in the year 2020, they suffered a major data breach. Millions of users had their personal details exposed. This included names and phone numbers. It is a reminder that these free rewards always come with a cost to your privacy. But for people living in Southeast Asia, the value proposition is still incredibly strong. This app was built for that specific market. It integrates deeply with local giants and regional airlines. Most global reviews miss this point entirely. If you are a power user who shops on these platforms daily, the rewards can add up fast. You just have to decide if you are willing to babysit the app. You have to turn off your privacy tools. You have to double-check every claim. For the casual shopper, the headache will likely outweigh the small balance in your account. For the dedicated deal hunter, it is a necessary tool in the kit. You just have to play by their very specific rules. The money is there, but you have to work for every cent. It is a game of attention and persistence. If you have the patience, the payouts are real. If you want something passive and easy, you should probably keep looking elsewhere. Now you have the full picture of the risks and the rewards. It is a tool that requires a strategy. If you handle it correctly, the savings are significant. If you ignore the details, you are just giving your data away for free. Use it wisely.